Hey guys, it's Jimmy and I'm back with another banger, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it to you guys quick and easy because I already got this thing snatched out. I got a 2016 Hyundai Sonata, and this is all about the alternator. And the problem with this thing, it was having with the alternator, so I don't went ahead and snatch it out, but I'm gonna give you guys the rundown behind this thing because I'm pretty sure a lot of people have a lot of problems pulling this thing out, but I was able to get it out from the top instead of fooling around at the bottom. But what I had done, went ahead and did first, went ahead and took that that right cable off, negative cable, went ahead and removed that thing. Then I went to this side, and as you guys can see, I went ahead and jacked it up, put it on a jack stand. As always, safety is first, so make sure you always use a jack stand. And then I came over here, took the tire off, got that removed, and then it was these little plastic pieces right here. And I went on ahead and got those all removed. They was like along the sides right here. One was in there right here, and one was also in there right there. Got those all removed, and then it was 10 millimeters along the bottom right here. It was a few 10 millimeters that I went on ahead and pulled those loose, and then I got this panel and I got that all out the way. So once I pulled all that loose, I was able to put that panel all the way over back there, and then I had access to the belt. So once I had access to the belt, I came on in here, and you guys can see it's this pulley right here. I went on ahead and put a 17 millimeter on that, cranked it back with one hand. This one is probably, I'm pretty sure, worn out because I was able to pull it off with one hand. You typically have to put 2 wrenches on them to be able to go ahead and do it, to put some type of force, but I'm pretty sure this one is about worn out because I was able to do it with one wrench. And as you guys can see, her belt is just totally worn out. It's very cracked up, so she definitely needs a new serpentine belt on this thing. But hey, look at this crank seal. I mean, it's no oil in the area, so that's a good thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and, well, as I already did, but like I did, I pulled this bottom bolt loose right here for that alternator. After I pulled loose that belt, and then I went up top. You got one bolt at top. It's right here. I went on ahead and pulled that loose from right there. It was a 15 millimeter. Yes, I believe that was a, nope, 14. So 14 millimeter, pulled that out of there. Then I went on ahead and got the vacuum system out of the way, which was right here. It was 3 T20s. I went on ahead and removed that so I get my clearance, and it was a funny angle that I did have to wiggle this side of there, but I did push back on these AC lines a little bit, but I was able to remove it from right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and now check both of these things out. Oh my gosh, look at the amount of brake dust that she has on this. Oh my gosh, that's just insane. She definitely needs to wash this thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and line both of these up, make sure they're the correct part, and I'm gonna go ahead and swap